How to use Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to use Facebook Messenger. I'm going to be showing you some of the basic steps on using Facebook Messenger, so make sure to stick with us till the end. Now to begin with, without creating a Facebook account you'll not be able to operate Messenger. So in order to use Messenger you'll have to have a Facebook, only then you'll be able to use Messenger application. In my case, I already have created Facebook account and also have a Messenger. Now all you need to do is you need to open up your Messenger application, and once you are directed to the Messenger page, I already have a Facebook account, and my interface might look something different than yours. So I'm going to be showing you what you can do. So Messenger lets you connect with friends and family through voice call, maybe video call, and text and all sort of things. So what you can do is, in order to use Facebook Messenger, first of all, if you want to contact some particular user, then all you have to do is just look for the username, tap the search bar, type in their username, and after that it's going to take you to the chat page. As already mentioned, the interface will look different than mine. Right on top you can see there are 3 different icons. So if you want to make a call, just tap the first icon, that is the call, and if you want to make a video call, tap the video call icon, which is located right in center. And for example, if you want to block a user, then tap the I button, and then you can go to your chat info page, and from here you can scroll down right to the bottom and simply click the block button and block them on Messenger. And as soon as you block them, you'll no longer receive any chats and any update from the following contact. And if you want to view the story, you can go to stories from the bottom right hand side corner. From here you can view this story. And if you want to add people to your Messenger, you can go to people and you can go ahead and add contact to your Messenger application. So this were some of the basic guides on using Facebook Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.